Sometimes during a long day, it's just nice to step outside, enjoy a little fresh air.
It is nice, especially now. And one Seminole County Elementary School has created an outdoor classroom complete with a butterfly habitat. Tonight, News 6 anchor Julie Broughton shows us how Stenstrom Elementary's Garden of Growth is getting results in our schools.
Getting results in our schools, sponsored by Crayola Experience.
In the center of Stenstrom Elementary's campus, the Garden of Growth.
So we wanted to create a little spot where everybody could gather, they could learn outside the classroom walls, get a feel for what is growing around the school, so they can learn right here locally.
This one says be kind.
Trailing through the garden, a path of kindness made of tiny pebbles placed by each student.
Just so that every student who walks in the path can feel that love from that pebble that someone put in there.
Everybody can enjoy a moment when they're in the sunshine and out in nature, and they can make connections with the things that they're seeing. We've got flowers growing, they can see that life cycle happening. There's lots of creatures living here in the garden.
He just shedded his skin and he is getting ready to start eating.
Students like first grader Abigail Frail keep a close watch on the milkweed.
You see them when they're green, you can actually see that they're green sometimes, but when they get blacker, it means that the butterfly is about to come out. One right here.
Frail and her classmate Declan Hodges helped plant these lima beans last year as kindergartners. Among the beans, flowers, and plants, benches for students just to take moments.
The beautiful things make me so grateful, and I'm happy that I'm not having a bad day anymore. It says love.
Julie Broughton, getting results. News 6.
I love the path of kindness. Now, grants from both Home Depot and Lowe's help start the garden. Parent volunteers as well as Girl Scouts help weed and maintain it. If you would like to donate plants or volunteer to work in the garden, we've put contact information for you on clickorlando.com. Just head to the Getting Results tab and click in our schools.
What a brilliant little girl.
Oh my gosh, she's so great.
Knew everything that was going on.